Welcome back to the train channel. We're outside of Cochraton, Pennsylvania. We got a Norfolk Southern C29 grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Oh, SD60 leading, all right.
I didn't know they used to know. Oh, that's not
DP, you all right? GP38, DP, you all right? Huh? Wow.
You gonna let them know that's the last one?
Symbol on that train was Norfolk Southern C29. The C29 originates to Cochraton, Pennsylvania, heads east to Sharon, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. All on this Monday, February 13th, the day after the Super Bowl 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube.
Can I say bye?
Alright, this is probably going to be it for today. And this is also be the final train video we'll have here. This is our last train video. We're going to see Jolene here on the Train Expert channel. So this is probably going to be it for today for Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We'll be back on tomorrow on the regular channel page to honor Jolene after we had we've been on the Train Expert channel for about a year and a half. And all that stuff going on. So, for the last time with Jolene, remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube, along with Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. So we're gonna get off, and we'll be back on tomorrow on the regular channel page to honor Jolene to honor our 1 year, our 1.5 years been on the Train Expert channel. So let's get off, and we'll get back on. Talk to you later.